she didn't want. Hindi niya gusto pumasok in a relationship. Because Venus Road simply wants a peaceful life, a peaceful living. And she didn't want to get into this what we call in a relationship that have all if they put on Venus Road a very controversial issue or might get into barangay or police. You have, and I know my limitation and restriction. Meron ba niyan sa Maranao?